Direct transport, dual tank, deluxe tendering. The DT Series trailer from Agspray Equipment sets the standard in semi-trailer tendering. As the only fully turnkey manufacturer, Agspray Equipment constructs the DT Series trailer from the initial weld to the final fitting. By incorporating customer feedback, Agspray Equipment has perfected the DT Series trailer after years of customizing and plumbing trailers. The DT Series trailer comes in a 42-foot and 48-foot tandem axle configuration with options for spring or air ride suspensions. The 48-foot model also offers a tri-axle option with air ride suspension and rear dual tire lift axle. Designed by seasoned producers and end users in the tendering and spraying industry, the DT Series trailer prioritizes workable deck space and smart design. Enhance the efficiency of your DT Series trailer with features like the Quad Tote Rack System, hose reel rack with Pump Slideout, STS Inductor Systems, and direct injection systems. Tank sizes include a 2,610 and 3,210-gallon options for all trailers, with a 4,010-gallon tank available on the 48-foot tri-axle with air ride suspension. This allows you to transport between 5,200 and 7,200 gallons of product, maximizing your field time. Contact your regional Agspray Equipment location or view our comprehensive DT Series brochure online for more details. Experience direct transport, dual tank, deluxe tendering with Agspray Equipment's DT Series trailer.